Alright, so once you have just one chart up, what you're going to want to do is right click. And we're going to go to properties. And we're going to configure this so that it will just look a little bit better. So the foreground, we're actually going to start with the grid. It's going to be black. Bar up is fine. Bar down, we're going to make it red. The bull candle is not right. We're going to have to make that green. So we want to find lime green. But let's just say lime, if I can find a lime one. Let's see. There we go. Bear candle is going to be red as well. Let's see. The line graph is going to be green. That's fine. We're not concerned about volume. Asking stop levels should be fine. So let's see what we have here. Perfect. Perfect.